Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In the previous part, I completed the main framing for the chicken house. With the framing now in place, the next step was to add the wall panels and create the openings for the main access door, the window, and the smaller chicken door. So in this part, I'll walk through how I created the wall panels in SketchUp, shaped them to fit the framing, and laid out each opening using the dimensions from the design. And don't forget, I'm giving away my full Chicken Coop design plan for free. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel because the PDF works best when paired with my step-by-step videos where I walk you through the entire build. Next, head over to thenovicebuilder.com or click the link in the description below to go straight to my website. Once you're there, click Start Your Coop Journey. That will take you to my complete Chicken Coop playlist. Scroll down until you see the free Chicken Coop guide section. To get the guide, you'll need to sign up by entering your first name, last name, and email. Then click Download My Free Guide. After you sign up, check your inbox. Your step-by-step PDF will arrive within 24 hours. Inside the guide, you'll get original SketchUp plans, full measurements, complete tools list, detailed materials list, step-by-step build instructions. It's everything you need to confidently build your own chicken coop from start to finish. So let's start with the tools and materials needed for this project. Note, the tools and materials used in this build are linked below. I personally use and recommend these products because they've worked well for me. Check the description or tap the tagged products below. Tools: tape measure, pencil, speed square, straight edge, circular saw, jigsaw, drill, 3/8" drill bit, and impact driver. Materials: plywood or exterior wall sheathing, and grip right number 6 by 1 1/4" Phillips bugle head drywall screws. Step 1. Creating the wall panel. I started by building the main wall panel. First, I cut the plywood base to match the exact dimensions of the chicken house framing. The top measures 8 feet 1 3/16 inches. The right side is 3 feet 9 3/8 inches. The bottom is 8 feet, and the left side measures 5 feet 5/8 inches. Once the plywood was cut to size, it was ready to be used as the template for assembling the wall panel. Step 2. Shaping the notches of the panel. I shaped the top of the panel to follow the slope of the roof framing. At both upper corners, I measured down 4 inches and then moved inward 4 inches. This created the sloped upper edge of the wall panel. Next, I created the notches at the bottom corners of the panel. On both sides, the notch extends 4 inches vertically and 2 inches inward. These notches allow the panel to fit around the framing members instead of overlapping them. Once the top profile and bottom notches were complete, the full outside shape of the wall panel was defined. Step 3. Creating the main door opening. I started with the largest opening, the main access door. The door opening measures 2 feet 5 1/4 inches wide by 2 feet 5 inches high. To position the door, I measured 1 foot 4 inches from the left side of the wall panel. The bottom of the opening starts 4 inches above the bottom edge. Using those measurements, I marked the full rectangular outline of the door. Step 4. Creating the window opening. Next, I moved on to the window. The window opening measures 1 foot 1.5 inches wide by 1 foot 8 inches high. To position it horizontally, I left 6 1/4 inches between the main door opening and the window. For the vertical position, the bottom of the window starts 1 foot 10 and 11/16 inches above the bottom edge of the wall panel. Step 5. Creating the mini chicken door opening. The final opening was the smaller chicken access door. This opening measures 9 3/8 inches wide by 1 foot 1 and 13/16 inches high. The bottom of the opening sits 4 inches above the bottom of the wall panel. To position it from the opposite side, I measured 1'3" and 9/16 inches from the right edge of the wall. Using these dimensions, I marked the full outline of the mini chicken door. Step 6. Attach the wall panel to the frame. With all the openings cut, it was time to attach the wall panel to the frame. I carefully aligned the plywood panel with the wall framing, making sure all the edges were flush before fastening it in place. To secure the panel, I used grip right number 6 by 1 1/4 inch Phillips bugle head drywall screws, driving the screws evenly around the perimeter and into each framing member. This provides a strong, secure connection between the plywood panel and the wall frame while helping keep the panel flat and properly aligned. This completes Part 1G of the Chicken House SketchUp design. In the next stage, Part 1H, dropping board design. This is my first time creating a complete chicken coop framing plan using SketchUp. So if you see anything that could be improved, especially at the planning and design stage, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always open to suggestions. Check the description below for the full DIY chicken coop series so you can follow along from start to finish. And don't forget to download your free guide at thenovicebuilder.com for complete step-by-step instructions, measurements, and material lists. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.